Welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Today we are going to go through Malasana, which is also known as Yogi squat or Garland Pose. So we're going to start simply with our feet splaying out and squatting all the way down. So toes are splaying. Feet are just a little bit wider than hip width distance, and allow your bum, your hips to come all the way down. Now instantly this might feel so strong for you. If it does, don't panic. You have two options if this feels a lot. Maybe you're just on the balls of your feet and your heels are high. If you're here, that's so fine. Just invite that space. Or if this is really a lot for you and you feel no space down the back of the legs, down the back of the ankles, you can sit on a brick, either on its lowest setting, just come here, or maybe a little bit higher. Maybe you're two bricks or a blanket, pillow, whatever you've got. So if you're here on your support, you're just inviting the knees to open. Keep pressing the feet into the mat and the hands are coming to heart center. If you're not on your brick and your heels are up, stay there and invite space for your knees to open again. Bring your hands to your heart center. If you've got the space to bring your heels down, you're all the way down. Hands are at the heart, roll the shoulders, lift the heart towards the hands. So really make this movement from perhaps here to lifting the heart all the way up, drawing the hands in. And can you just find this pressing of the palms, drawing the elbows away and inviting your knees to open out towards the sides. So you've got this connection. From this space, tuck your tailbone underneath. So imagine I'm pulling you all the way from your tailbone underneath by a lovely long string. And you're finding this lifting, this tucking and lifting for your heart to come all the way up. Roll the shoulders, get soft in the space and your face. Get soft in the space and face, roll the shoulders and just come to the breath. Now for a lot of you, this is really intense. It's a very love-hate pose. So we're just gonna bring a little bit of movement to it to just kind of get over this maybe tightness in the hips. Bring the left hand down in front of you, just center on your mat or on your ground. As you inhale, start to bring the right arm all the way up and really press your left arm into the left leg. Just find a little bit of space to reach the right arm all the way up to the ceiling. Roll the right shoulder, find a reach. Take a breath here, inhale. As you exhale, bring your right hand all the way down. Replace left hand with right, so right hand is coming. Right arm is pressing into the right leg. As you inhale, peel up through the left arm. Keep that tucking of the tailbone. Roll through the left shoulder, find space for the spine. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale, bring it all the way down. Inhale, lift your heart a little more. Now as you exhale, hands are gonna come down. Remove the brick if you're sitting on it or any props underneath you. And just let the head come all the way down, forward fold. Lift the hips all the way up. Find this release. Let the head be loose. Feel the space on the back of the legs. Take an inhale and just lift the heart halfway. And then as you exhale, we're coming back to our Malasana, bending the knees, sending the bum all the way down. Hands back together at the heart center. Roll the shoulders. We're going to be here for 3 more breaths. So take it slow. Take another long inhale. A long exhale, Ujjayi breath. Keep the breath through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale. And gently release the hands. And can you just land your bum really slowly all the way back down on your mat. Release the legs. Come to Sukhasana, legs crossed. And just allow the hips to settle, hands down on your thighs. Roll the shoulders. And just coming back to something that might feel a little bit softer. Now, if you've got tight hips, Malasana is so great for this, but it does take a lot of patience, a lot of breath, a lot of time. So just be patient with your practice and with yourself. Malasana is great for getting into the digestive system and just really waking up the body, this grounding and this lifting at the same time. So come here whenever you need to. It'll be coming back into our practice a little later on. So stay with it, come to it whenever you need. Have a lovely day, namaste.